Hello, welcome to another episode of Growing Crazy with Jeanette. I'm Jeanette, as if you haven't noticed, right? Anyway, it's snowing here in Erie, PA, so it's not very bright today. But I'll show you. See? Come and see out the door. It's snowing as we speak. It's really coming down, too. But that's okay. We needed the water. We needed the cold. Everything cycles. So everything is doing well. Everything is coming back to life more because of spring coming. And more light. We like more light. It's great. So everything is really looking good. Got life over here forming. I can see that little nub coming off of this burro's tail. That looks really neat. It's so small. And then in here, this staghorn fern, if I can get in here without killing myself. This is the shield that's growing in. And this is a new frond, which is one of these branches. And it's all looking pretty good. It's getting bigger. Hopefully this shield will go all the way around here where this old one is, because it's all cracked and it looks kind of old and cracked. Then up here, the shamrocks are coming back to life, which is only appropriate because St. Patrick's Day is only a couple of days away. So that works out. And then we have a couple of newcomers. This is a spiral kind of plant, just a wavy looking kind of plant. I'm not sure what kind of tree this is, so we're calling it the mystery tree. It hasn't got any leaves quite yet. Right here, if you see, there are a couple of leaves forming. And over here, I think there was one too. Yeah, there's one right there by my finger that's forming. So we've got a couple. And then maybe we'll have some better idea of what it is. But behind it, we've got two different Fukian tea plants, two bonsai. Then this bonsai is doing rather well. It's got all kinds of new growth on it. You can see it right there, right there. New growth. We like new growth. And then this guy is Oliver. This is a new mystery tree. And I learned something. I guess you're not supposed to wire them while they're just cuttings. So, oops. But since I already did it, there's no harm, no foul. But evidently, it stresses out the plant. So don't do what I did. But he does look cool. So he will grow in looking cool, hopefully. And I won't have any problems. We'll see. And then down here, I have another cutting. I have a little blue spruce pine growing in the back there. And then right here in front, we have two weeping cherry cuttings from the parent tree in the front yard, who is, oh my goodness, like 30 some years old. So, and then over here, we've got Chinese elm, looking good with her exposed roots, and the little juniper and the other little juniper. They look good. They're happy. Down here we have an air plant in the back there, and in front we have what is left of the flowers on a forsythia bonsai that I started. It's growing to green now, so it's in between states, but that's okay. It's morphing. I like that. And I think that's no, wait, that's not it. Up here I have, well, of course we have this little terrarium with Fred and Wilma in it. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, you can see them. Two little, I don't even know what kind of plants these are. Somebody tell me in the comments section. They look like aloe plants, but they're not. And they're not Burro's tails either. There's something, there's some sort of succulent, but I don't know what. Anyway, I have these 3 cuttings over here. These are weeping cherry cuttings. And I have this jade plant that I just lit up. And she's doing really well. She's got a couple of nice little tiny sprouts of new life coming up there. And right here are a couple more little tiny shoots where I have cut off. I made cuttings and made plants for everybody. So now the plant is recovering and it looks good. And then this one right here is going over to my friend Missy today when I see her. And so he will get a name. Then I have some over here who are also going to friends. So these 2 are going. And these 2 are going. Yay! And the snake plant is doing well. It looks happy. We have a little tiny baby over here. And also we have a lot of growth on the peace lily. A lot of new shoots coming out, not a lot of flowers. That's good. Okay. Well, back to the snowy tundra. Just wanted to say hello. So like and subscribe because it helps me out. And that way I can see you more. You know, that's always nice. I'll see you later. Bye.